All right, here we are at 313 Gilbert Road here in Winter Park, Florida, 32792. Zone for Winter Park High School, Brookshire, and Lakemont. Middle school. Glen Ridge Middle. Let me turn you around here real quick. This is a part of the Winter Park Pines community here in unincorporated Orange County in the city of Winter Park. So very nice street, nice quiet street. So neither of these are cut throughs for anything. So Willow the Greens right there. This comes up Gilbert. Straight down there is Cady Way Trail. So that runs this way. That taking a right here and a left on Green will get you right up to the high school. And then the pool, obviously, the Cady Way pool is just on the other side, about two blocks behind this house. So walk up, really nice landscaping, 2-car garage. Nice little front porch. Walk in the home. And again, this is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,642 square foot. Over $100,000 of renovations here throughout the room, and you can see that this kitchen has been completely redone. You've got tile flooring, wood-like plank flooring throughout the whole home. Again, double pane windows. This nice large window right here looking out here in the eat-in kitchen. And you get all the storage, everything you're gonna need here, which is really nice. Nice hardwood shaker style cabinets all the way throughout. As you can see, those go up. And obviously all your pull-out drawers, things like that. This is a quartz top here on both sides. Get a nice basin sink. There's your dishwasher. Everything out that way. So we're gonna go back towards the front door. Here's our front door right here. We've also got a nice linen closet right here at the front, and it goes all the way up, which is nice. So good, decent amount of storage. And then immediately to your right from the front door, you go into your master bedroom. So French doors out to the pool deck. Also, let me lift this up. You can see you get really good, wrong way. Really good natural light. These both slide open each way to give you some nice air in here. You've got a barn door back here that slides in front into your master closet, which is really nice. As you can see, a lot of good space in here as well. Come back into your master shower and bathroom. Back out through the master. Again, front doors to your left. Here's the kitchen again. Here's your first living space right here. And again, these windows as well, brand new, double pane. Both of those slide to the interior, which is great. Let me clarify that I said slide to the interior. They slide to the middle. So both those squares open up, which is nice because it's a completely enclosed pool. So you can have, when it's nice outside, you can open all of that. This room does have the pocket doors on both sides, so you can separate the two rooms if someone's in here watching a movie or you want some privacy, which is nice. Here's your second living room that goes into the kitchen. That is a piece of furniture, not a real fireplace. You've got this really nice coffee bar, additional storage on each side as well, which those are all built in. They're obviously using this side as a coffee bar. And some additional storage. Again, there's that living space. We'll go out to the pool and the other bedrooms in a second. Check you out at the garage, right off the kitchen. So pretty typical 2-car garage. You've got the exit to the side this way. They've got a golf cart over here, built-in storage, as you can see on this side. Garage door and everything actually looks pretty new. Obviously gym equipment not included in the sale, but you can see that they've got plenty of space in here. Washer, dryer, and the water heater on this side as well. Go back into the kitchen and living space. One more quick look over here. We'll head back over here to the 2 bedrooms. So 1 and 2, here's your first bedroom right here. And again, same new windows on that side. A nice size closet. Carpet is in very good shape as well. Bedroom number 2. All new windows, good sized bedroom. Let me show you this room, this closet real quick. Yeah, pretty standard closet, just like the other one. Into the guest bathroom, excuse me. Again, that flooring continues all the way through. They did do an update to the vanity. Obviously, this looks to be the same original bathroom and tub. And then new window there. You do have 2 linen closets on this side, as you can see, packed with stuff. And then right here between the bathroom and the bedroom, you have another linen closet. Again, really good storage space. I feel like I did do a good job, so I'll show you. So there's 1 closet, 2 closets, and actually 3 closets here in this hallway. So a lot of linen storage in this home, which is great. So it's 3 closets between 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. We come out here to the pool deck. Completely screened in. Beautiful day here in Orlando, Florida, obviously. Really cool little feature about this is you have a little swim up bar top, which is really nice right here on the edge of the water. Hot tub over on this side. I do believe on the seller's disclosure, they noted that the heater is not working for the hot tub. But it's a nice, large pool, very much an entertaining pool here in the backyard. I'll walk you around the property real quick as well. Dragonfly caught inside. So they do have the kid fence as well as a little storage unit here. We'll flow over this way on the other side. Nice vinyl fence all the way around. Looks like they use this as a planter base, some additional privacy. They've got some lights built onto it. A lot of kid equipment, but a good amount of grass space around here. Some shrubs. You got some established landscaping out here as well. Here is your pool equipment. So it is hooked up to gas, as you can see right there. I do believe this is not functioning. This piece of equipment is not working, but it is all hooked up and can be replaced, if you will. That's your filter on that side with your well pump and everything. So this is heavy duty, looks to be your, I can confirm on the listing that this is obviously saltwater. But again, nice tucked back behind all the shrubbery. That is the backyard. Come back through this side. And again, your master entrance is your master French doors right over there. And then you've also got, obviously, that's the living room. And this goes into the secondary living room. And that is the guest bathroom through that window right there. Let me know what you think.